Westermans here. Machine just arrived. Noisy contactor by the sounds of things. The Bode vp40, variable speed with Carter oil filled. Variable speed up and down. Machine tilts from horizontal to vertical. It's actually built up on a platform at the minute, but this can be removed. Now you can see from the actual video, the table itself has actually been used for preheat, hand grinding and one or two other things, so it's quite distorted and bent. I suggest a blank for the top of that, or possibly a new tabletop. The machine is actually functioning. Could do with a little bit of TLC. I'll just wait until he gets to the horizontal position, and then I'll do the variable speed. So variable speed again, quite straightforward, no electronics involved. Going up. And then back down again. Of course, the Carter variable speed can be changed for an electronic system if required. The machine is pendant control, forwards and reverse, power tilt, variable speed. The machine is being sold as is or can be fully serviced with new electronics. More details of other welding positions on westermans.com. Please take a look. Thank you for looking.